guys, paksiw. Another day, another adventure, Kabem fam. From full-time to a surprise street band in the city. Isa mo, animo ay sugod. Animo ay sugod. Grabe, ang daming ganap today. Ready na ba kayo? Tara, simulan na natin ang journey ng BEMFAM dito sa Pilipinas. Hanggang sa biglaang naming road challenge. Welcome back to our channel. We're still here in the Philippines enjoying our family vacation and syempre kayo ang kasama namin sa bawat adventure. Let's go!
Ay problema kay kung BEMFAM ang kuyog way kulba sakay.
Unang stop natin today, the pool. Ito talaga ang number one request ng mga bata. And syempre, si Mr. mahilig din yan sa tubig. Si daddy na nag-swim na. Hello, hello, Kabemfam! Go. Swim na rin, swim. Go, Luke! Go, Luke! Dati Gigi, namingwet ang isda. Taro nga na, Jay.
Straight from the heart. Sa trabaho, pahulay sa kalibutan ng tawa, wala'y problema kay kung BEMFAM ang kuyog way kulba sakay ta sa jeep o tricycle, bisa nasa basta joyful lami kaayo ang feeling kung kamo akong kachili suroy na ubanta kauban ng BEMFAM way ka pa laag ta sa.
So after nito, nag-order na tayo pero mamaya na yung ano natin ipakook after these kids. No, that one that is not allowed, son. Don't do that one, son.
Fish. I'm a fish. I'm a shark.
1, 2, 3. Be, palangoy yan daw, tiyan.
My turn. I want the ball. My turn. Dad, look, my turn. Hi, vlog.
Don't drink the water, ah.
Don't drink the water.
So ayan ka, BEMFAM. Nandito na naman tayo. So if you are foreigner, may anak kayo guys like me. Yeah. Kasi mostly kasi mga foreigner, mabilis sila sa sila sensitive sa mga tubig ito. Dito kasi malinis yung tubig nila. Ay, si daddy nag-swim na.
Come in, Em. Comfortable. Em. Come, now stand up.
Teach you how to swim. Teach me how to do.
Teach me how to doggy na lang. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy.
Who will stand here?
Nalagay, my hair.
20 points. Don't give me that excuse. 4 minutes already. Get up, boy.
My face, my hair. No blower.
Get in the water. There's no sun here. It's protection.
Yeah, but conditioner again.
Protection. No.
Naligo na ko eh.
Get in.
Yeah, na de.
Get in.
Yeah, I know.
No. Get in.
Let's na lagi.
Get in.
Yeah, lagi.
Get in.
Lucas.
The blogger doesn't want to go to the pool. She's scared. Em, get in. Oi.
Go! So ayan ka BEMFAM, tapos na tayo nag-swimming. So after so much fun, nag-order na rin kami ng dinner. Ang sarap lang mag-banding ng ganito. Simple pero kompleto ang saya. So ito yung order natin.
Soap?
Sabaw na ate. Tanungin natin itong batang to kasi napakaano to. How's the food?
The star was blue, but in the end now. And what if I take the skin? Did they really rip the skin, Dad? Where's my spoon?
Good, boy.
Rice or fried
I
rice?
don't have a spoon.
Don't worry.
Fried rice?
Yummy. Worth it naman yung affordable tapos ang dami guys. O nya na lang ya, muna na kaya ha. Salamat ya. Ang Good? How's the food? Good? Darius?
Now what's that? It hurts, Clark.
You ate it?
Shit here. Mom, with my spoon.
Lami.
Mom.
Lama.
You want to try Sadam? I give you.
Yeah.
This is sweet. That's it.
Lami.
Yeah.
Baka na po siya ka pa.
I put you with this.
Straight from the heart. Parenting laughter, lessons we share. In every season, love's always there. Different places,
Lami. Lami. Lami.
Fills that. Alright. The bowl.
Tulong-tulong eh.
here at Ben Fam, our journey is true. Here at Ben Fam, we're living with you.
Habang pauwi na kami, may narinig kaming malakas na tugtugan. Pagtingin namin, ayun, may banda pala sa city para sa araw ng Butuan celebration. Kaya syempre, pina-experience namin sa mga bata. Iba talaga ang vibes dito sa Pinas. Hello, Kabempam! At lahong Butuan! Ayan. Ingay. We are in Gincona Park, in Butuan. Adlaw hong Butuan kasi dito, Kabempam. So, sana yung pamilya natin.
Enjoy sana.
Diba?
Hussein Jomboy Aquino the second and our
Isa Butuan, Gincona. Darasan. Ako, kanimo ay sugod. Ang ako, kanimo ay sugod. Kanimo ay sugod. Ang ako, kanimo ay sugod. Kanimo ay sugod.
Alright, kamunasan! Ang gugma ko. Ang kinabuhi ko.
Hala, Jumar! Grabe guys, ang dami. Neighbor. Guys yan. Daming tao dito guys. Ay, kay Kaban. Saan Kaban? Ah, ano yung uyak? Okay. Ano yung tao? Papa, yun ito nakitawan. Grabe, daming tao guys! Bempam! Here in Gincona Park, Butuan City. Wow! First time experience ng ating mga timing yung natin, bakasyon. Grabe. Dito. Ito na. Maura ni siya din. This is the one only daddy. This is the one that we have. Tama. Nothing there. Mga 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So we need na to Kabempam, we need na to go back. Kasi bukas, alis tayo. Busy kayo. So at least the experience nila yung piyesta. Piyesta ba ni Jay? Araw, no? So parang araw siya ng Butuan. Hindi siya pala piyesta, parang araw ng araw ng Butuan. Yan. Kinabukasan, another adventure na naman. Punta tayo sa Duca Bay. Kilala din ito dito sa Mindanao. Overnight lang kami dito para ma-experience ng Bempam ang ganda ng dagat. Good morning ka Bempam! Ayan, nandito na naman tayo ulit sa Butuan. So where are we going guys?
Good na.
So yes, we're going today in Duca Bay Resort. So 2 hours lang from Butuan. Going to Duca Bay, and this is our first time. The Bempam will go there. So see you mga ka-Bempam! See you!
See ya.
Actually,
Yan, dito tayo sa Duca Bay Resort in Hingoog, Misamis. Tam, you okay, Tam? Hold si Mami, ay mahulog ka, Tam. Duca Bay. Ale! Unsa naman ni, oy? Isa naman sa daan ko, ya. Sana pag may pool, no? Dako lang siya.
Parehas lang siya ma'am, panet ma'am.
Unsa man, lahi na po na.
Oo, lahi.
Ah, same lang daw de.
Oo.
This is different one. Asa ka ni?
Yan eh.
Ah, dito, nice in the middle. Huwag mo swimming pool yan, no?
Wala ma'am. Lahat lang galibwag ma'am.
Doon diri ah.
Doon ra.
If you come here, if you want to swimming pool, there is like a pools or swimming pool, no? Namin mga swimming pool, mga pools. Suka man gid sila pagdagat. What is he asking?
Is there any food?
Jesus Christ, gigutom ang pagkaon ng gipa. There is a pool, you need to pay. Ah, okay. Dako po, ay, big no? Big man po di ay. Swimming pool ba, this one? Hoy, mapapicture ta diri o, Duca Bay Resort. Yeah. Uy, papicture ta diri ba, Duca Bay Resort. Dayon ang atong birthday ka, Fam. Yan, may litson, may cake, kinilaw, kamote, saan may sinugba, wala pa.
This is good.
You like kinilaw? So, thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for the lechon.
Admin fee.
Si Mabo, and my Mabo is here. Thank you for coming in my birthday, Ma. Thank you, Ma. Thank you for the lechon. Thank you, Duca Bay, and thank you to my sponsor, Marek. And thank you, Te, for the cake, Te. Also, thank you, Te. Thank you, Me. Thank you.
Advance, couple of weeks.
Feeling po na. Hapit na, Te. Thank you, Te, ha. Salamat. Thank you, guys. Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Di Papi.
Mitch lang. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you for the lechon and the cake. I really appreciate. And thank you for coming here in Duca Bay.
Thank you.
Ano feeling? Pag-umpasa na ito, minu kayo. Lagi. Ah? So, ayan ka, Fam. Andito tayo sa Duca Bay Resort here in, I think, Hingoog siya o Medina. Ayan. So, first time natin dito. Ayan. Check niyo yung tubig nila, oh. Clear yung tubig, guys. Ay! Ayan. Yun yung mga ano nila, accommodation. So yung accommodation nila dito starting from 5,000 to 10,000. 5,000 is ano siya, good for 4 packs. Yung malaki naman yung ano nila, room. Not yet pa, ha. Yan, dito aking mister. I'll show to Daddy the beach here. So what can you say here, Daddy? What is that you can say about Duca Bay?
Missing a swimming pool.
Yeah.
That's the one thing at least that is missing. Even though you can swim here on the edge of the water, in the Philippines it's always good to have like a swimming pool. But also, swimming pool you have to be careful because you can get sick in a swimming pool as well.
Yeah.
So maybe this is even better because it's at least flowing water.
Yeah. Maybe they can swim there on that day.
Yeah, I think they can. I will have a look how it is here.
Check the other day.
I don't swim.
No, here lang man si Daddy mag-check lang. Ang kami dito gahapon.
Good.
Yan, bakbaka na guys. Ito na hintay ng ano. Eat na, eat. Ilawan na to itong litson. De, the skin. This one first, oh. Try. Maura ni lami sa litson. Ha? Pangit ah. Kami awas lang nga ang pangit oh. Nagkuan oh. Mang Tomas oh. This one. Taga natin mister ng panit.
Come here, right, Sarah. Come here.
Wa na nahurot mauro gyud yung lamig sa litson ang panit ra gyud guys. Ang panit. Ah, sa kaon sa kuy gutom naman ko eh. Go, go. You and Isaiah love. You and Isaiah. Dito kami sa 801. Ayan. Wow.
Every morning's a brand new start. Simple moments straight from the heart. Parenting, laughter, lessons we share. In every season, love's always there.
Different places, but one story flows. Wherever we wander, our family grows.
Here at BameFam, our journey is true.
Uy, salamat, cool.
I think they have extended here. Mag-add lang siguro tayo ng extra bed.
Where are kids?
Extra 2 bed, 3 beds.
Where are we?
This one eh.
Where are the kids? A better bed? Yeah. Have a cleaner bed?
Yeah. Cover lang yun. Mag-asta ng cover. Hi guys! Hello!
Bumalik sa Pinas, dalay tuwa't ligaya. Family time, pagkain sa kalsada. Barkada ka mag-
So ito yung dinadayo dito, Kabempam. Duca Bay Resort. Misamis yata to. O, wala lang sa ano. Misamis, Hingoog City. Wala lang silang pool. Duca Bay Resort. Yeah.
Bumalik sa Pinas, dalay tuwa't ligaya. Family time,
Dito ang Bempam magstay for ano lang. Overnight lang kami dito. Our view. Later na, later.
no space.
No space? Oh, wala pa. Napa dito, Je? Napa nag-shower? Oh, come on. Here na.
Wow!
Careful, don't jump.
Seafood.
Careful.
Seafood, Ma.
Careful.
I like seafood.
That's not swimming pool. That's the ocean. A
I like
beach.
Asian.
Ocean.
What's in there?
That's not ours, they love. No, you're not allowed to go there. Come on. This is different there. Come on. Yeah. So yung 5,400 yung room dito. Malaki naman yung room. Tapos may free bed yata sila. They, if you want additional 800.
You can close the door.
May complimentary breakfast. Good for 2 lang siya. Okay naman siya din, no? Big. It's big.
Bro?
Yeah, yeah, for overnight. Oo.
Malaki naman ka?
Oo. 8:30 magtampo yan, no?
Pinakuwi pa ba kaya ako ito ipaulang. Naman mo. Sa imong plano ani mami mo isa siya ron?
Dili niya.
Ang sa man yung plano mo isa si mo isa mo ikas.
Kami lang, kami.
Stage is very deep.
Kami ang magbayad ani.
Ah,
I'm sorry.
Cash.
nga namang balik.
But you can't.
Pila to si Bin.
Binali.
Oh, sige.
Okay, dala paano pala speeding ba?
Okay naman ka.
Dali mama kay bot man to pa.
Sige. Okay man ka ang tempo yan, no?
Ah?
Okay ang tempo.
Ay, wa. Mura gata gagato. Pagkay ba? Wala niyo.
Papo kay ko niya life jacket. Minutes din.
Wala na sila. Ay, naman sila.
So 30 minutes 700. Good for 8 persons.
Ma'am, si Harap ang gutman.
Hi, ay, siya, Kuya Rab. Morning. Ana.
Ano yung gagawin like fish? Mga ka no?
No, kanira man, kailangan yun may jacket. 700 lang dito, na Bempam. Karang 700 maximum of 8 persons, 30 minutes ride. Okay. So, iba din yung snorkeling niya.
Oo, lahat nag-package niya.
Pag snorkeling to.
Muna yung galing to 5. Bisan, walo mo ka buo. Kung ako ipadala nga, snorkel, 5 kasi. Muna yung to 5, 90 minutes. So, isa ka, ito ka. Ang individual mo reported.
Okay.
Kapila life fish na.
700. Ano lang ta?
Mapulay mong GoPro Hero Girl.
Ha? Oo. Tinaw.
Kani mga 30.
Tambot pila ni. How much this one? I forgot.
Wala na kissing.
Naaman pero wala ko gidala.
Kung nagdadong sa diving, pag
Under na naman tipang kuan.
beyond 10 meters, dili na magana.
Lagi di man. Siya?
10 meters.
10 meters.
Beyond 10 meters.
No work.
Oh. But if the case, kissing na.
Yeah, if there's a case, yeah. Wait, ang piling.
Nasa gawas mo.
Asa? Pila?
Oo, ako din sa gawas.
Di. Ito pa, palit man patuloy.
Ako na palit.
Pila man ya?
Depende man, pila niya palit.
Kalakuan na dyan. Gamay ra dyan. Kailangan natin ng life jacket kasi hindi tayo marunong lumangoy. Just in case.
Andam na ta, biyahe na pud tanan. Kauban ng tawa, wala'y problema. Kay kung Bempam ang kuyog, way
The Bempam guys. Kasi kahapon hindi kami naka...
You know?
First day. Ay, salamat. Haglo ka, uy.
Adam, can you move down?
Dili maka ni haglo Kuya Rap.
Yes, I can sit there.
Kamulang mo Kuya Rap.
Move further down. Move further doan.
Ate Ans, dito ka, Ate An. Kuhanin na sila Ate An.
Down. Slide down.
Dapat balance ta, Di. Dili ta, Di. Diya si Mari.
You.
Diba?
Buang.
Diba, balance na, diba?
Adam, lay down. Mickey, look it. Slide down.
Ayan, si Kuya.
Move down. Look out.
Iswag ta. Move daw, move. Ate An, bantayin Ate An, ha? Mo ambak.
Sibog pa mga
Ay, sibog pa dyan, ay. Sorry, Kuya. Ay, naku, Lord.
Huh? Glass, but underneath is water. You got this glass one.
Si Kuya Raut, yung ano natin. Bye! Nawirin natin, Gigi. Ayan ka, Bempam! Nandito na naman tayo. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. With a Bempam! 700 with Kuya, good for 8 person maximum.
Gikan sa trabaho, pamulay sa kalibutan. Backpack na andam na tabi.
Hello! Ayan, ganda ng ano natin. Buti na lang, tayo natuloy kahapon. Maganda pala pag morning. The best pag morning. Or 6, 7, 8:30, no? Morning. Ang ganda guys, ang linaw ng tubig. Bakit ang tubig guys, Nanchaw yeah! Yeah! Hello guys!
Biyahe na pud tanan. Kauban ng tawa.
Ang saya talaga kapag kasama ang pamilya. Habang bata pang mga kids, sulitin natin ang bawat bonding moment. At syempre, thankful ako sa aking husband. Kaya nandito kami ngayon, enjoying this boat ride in Duca Bay. Swerte ng mga bata na may daddy silang ganito. Kaya tara, enjoy natin ang araw dito sa Pilipinas ka Bempam.
Bukid, dagat o plaza, basta magkuyog, talipay ra, basta suloy na. Day ugdong, dala kamera, vlog mo doon sa matag adto. Good storya, kakuban ng Bempam, walay kapulan ba? gilid, picture sa mural. May iba
Ala, isda. Grabe guys, isda.
But then you will crash for you, okay?
Wow.
Mickey, like this, in the back here, like this. Look. Like this, ready? Yeah, look.
Ano ng isda eh?
Mommy,
Mm.
please open.
Ah, si ate, Gigi.
Crush it inside the packet.
Pwede tamo tindog? Ang daming isda guys.
Ano eating it?
Yeah, you know, see? They're crushed in the packet, Mickey. You're looking, throw it.
Ang daming isda guys. Sige, gila ko mahaglok kung kanina eh. Marag dili na ma-balance. Hindi na ma-balance kasi marag bukat dito. Ha? Hindi na give balance. Oh, you can swim down here guys. Dayos. You daddy, you want?
Are you sure, Darius?
Daddy, no, daddy.
Yeah, there's fish here.
I don't want to swim.
Oh, no, no.
Grabe isda.
See?
How do you get back up? The back there, no?
Kumukon siya muna.
The back there.
Balik. Di, dadabak dali.
And you want to go in there?
Oh my God.
The fish is biting you.
No, nangdool lang mga.
Si daddy.
How do I go now?
Oo.
You have to swim, huh?
Si Darius, my God. Ay, look.
Slide in the water.
Grabe si Darius. Hindi maglok.
Slide in.
Whoa.
Slide in. Go. No, slide in. There you go. Come on. Let go of the boat.
Out
Wait.
there, son.
Let go of the boat. Come here.
Ayan ka, Benfam. Ang dami na naman nating ganap today from the pool, sa bandang nadaanan namin sa city, hanggang sa family bonding dito sa Duca Bay. At syempre, sobrang saya namin na kasama namin kayo sa bawat adventure. Pero medyo mahaba na itong vlog natin. Kaya hanggang dito muna tayo. May continuation pa ang journey namin dito sa Pilipinas. Mas exciting pa ang next episode. Kaya abangan nyo ka, Benfam. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe para updated kayo sa next part ng Benfam Adventures.
It's up to you.
See you in the next
No
vlog.
fish, no fish.
No one. Not fresh, okay?
No fish.